We're getting you the latest on the coronavirus crisis in India. First, of course, the numbers that are on your screens are of the total cases of coronavirus, which has now touched 52,952. Now, the death toll stands at 1,783. The worst affected state of that of Maharashtra, with the total cases now touching 16,758. The death toll in Maharashtra is now 651. In Gujarat, the number of cases has now reached 6,625. The death toll is at 396. Over to the national capital, where the total cases is at 5,532, with 65 deaths being reported now in Delhi. Those are the latest numbers as of 9:30 this morning. But let's also break down for you how in the last few days there's been a steep rise in the number of cases. In the last 24 hours alone, we've seen a huge increase in the number of coronavirus cases. And this graph really puts it for you in perspective as to how in the last 15 days, and this is despite the nationwide lockdown, there's been a clear rise in the number of cases that's being reported daily. Now, if you break it down to the last 15 days, 62.8% of all cases have been reported in the last 15 days. This many attribute also to a lot more testing in the last few weeks, but it's also very, very worrying that still so many cases are being reported. In fact, if you look at the last 15 days, the range of positives is between 3.82% to 4.41%. So in the last 15 days, we have now crossed the 50,000 mark, which means that while initially from, of course, from April 20th, I beg your pardon, you see that there was a slight increase, but it was under control. It is now, since the end of April to May now, that you're seeing a steep rise. In the last 15 days, the numbers have been very, very worrying. What's also not good is the fact that the recovery rate is not following the same graph as the rise in cases. Now, as we continue getting you the latest on the numbers of the coronavirus cases in the country today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.